Welcome to another episode of Everyday Home Improvements. I'm Jamie Mattis, the owner of Everyday Home Improvements. Today we're going to take you through an easy step-by-step process of patching and repairing a little hole in your wall. So what you're going to want to do first step is get a little piece of sheetrock. This is a very sloppy hole, so I like to do it this way. I get my piece of sheetrock and I hold it up here. Transfer onto the wall. Okay, now that our piece is out, you're going to take a piece of 2x4. On the right hand side that you can see, there is a stud there. If there was not a stud there, you would add another block on that side as well. Okay. Get your piece of rock. Now that that's done, we're going to mix up a little 20-minute spackle, and it's as easy as spackling it up and you're sand it and paint it. A little 20-minute spackle. If you notice, it's such a small square, I'm just going to tape the whole thing. And again, that's 20-minute spackle, so that is set up quick. That's first coat. You're going to want to do 2 more coats, and then it'll be sand and paint ready. So while that's drying, I'm going to finish doing some spackle on some other corner bead and stuff I got going on here, because the main reason we're at this house today is I'm going to pan the camera over and you'll see we opened up this wall, put a beam in for the homeowner to give him an open concept. So he had a couple other holes that the electrician put in the wall. So we're just patching those up for him since we're here going to do some spackle anyway. So here's what we did with the wall. Okay, now that our first coat is dry, we're going to take a bigger knife and we're going to put a second coat on. That's it. One more coat and we'll be able to sand and paint that patch. Okay, now that our second coat is dry, we're ready for our third and final coat. And once again, we're using just a little bit bigger of a knife. Now these knives have a little bit of bow, so you want to look down it, and you want the cup side like that. That's it. Let that dry and you're ready to sand it and paint it.